Hi everyone, I'm Anam from PPC Ad Editor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to group multiple channels into a single group preview using our group preview feature. First, go to the preview section and select the channel previews you want to add to the group. You can group up to 5 previews. Once you have made your selection, click group and it will take you to your group preview. You can name this group whatever you like. It's totally up to you. And you can also you also have multiple layouts options for the group view, and you can toggle between list view and grid view depending on your preference. Yeah. Additionally, the selected channel logos will be listed here for easy references. Clicking on the ellipsis gives you several options: list preview, delete, share, and add. Yeah. By clicking list preview, you'll be taken to the list preview mode, where you can see the group with its included previews. To add a new preview to the group, click the ellipsis, select add, and then choose the preview you want to include. This will add the preview to your project. Yeah, it's here. So to share your group preview, simply click share, and this will open up a share model with a share link and permission settings. Yeah, you can view your group preview by clicking view, which will open them in a new tab. Here you can switch between different previews. We're also working on a global commenting feature that will list all comments. But for now, you'll see a flag indicating the number of comments for each channel. So yeah, this is all about the group preview. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and bye.